going on a quest for Mead. Let me see that Google Maps. We are 54 minutes out.
Yeah, in the house it said an hour and 3 minutes, so we're making time.
Right. What's the first thing you're gonna do when you get your Mead?
Bash Josh over the head with a glass bottle.
Yeah, let's start a fight inside of this guy's
Yeah,
car.
that's glass. Glass someone with the Mead bottle.
Let's get the glass.
One of you should like absolutely skull a whole bottle of
No, I do love me an apple orchard.
What's up?
Making money hand over fist.
Is that true?
I bet.
This guy's prepared.
Scotch bonnet and a peppercorn pepper, which is similar to
pretty good.
Sun Eater. It's actually the name of a song from a death metal band.
All right. Can I get one of them too?
You ever heard of Lorna Shore?
No, I haven't. Oh!
He's good,
well,
he's
yeah,
good.
there you go. Sorry about that. Is there anything else you want to try?
Wait, what kind of peppers?
It's got scorpions, reapers.
Oh, I'm gonna have a bad day now.
Ghost
let's go.
peppers, different types of
I want to
sauces.
watch you first.
Sure. Sure.
Is it like the last dab kind of? Here, just eat a second one. I'm afraid of it.
Yeah. I want to try some. I want to try the.
Let's go get some. Okay, I regret it. I regret everything. I'm sorry, Josh. I'm so sorry. You're good.
Now this one is way more tolerable. This is like apple cinnamon.
Oh, that's good.
Some cool cards.
Oh, Josh, are you okay?
I'm glad. It's just where it lingers.
Hello? Where are you? Great. Sounds good. Josh is dying. We fed him the hottest hot sauce we could find.
Odin.
All right. What do you think?
It's good. I'm not sure if it's the one I'm gonna get though. That's good. That's good.
Right?
I like the spiced apple more though.
Sure,
I think
sure.
so I'm gonna get probably forest fruit, spiced apple. I want to try the mango. I'm gonna go try the mango.
Okay. Spiced apple. All right. Going in. Let's.
So good. So good.
Ooh, that's really good too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you're picking up for people?
Yeah,
Sure,
these two
sure.
are mine, and these two are a friend of mine's.
How do you even decide on flavors when you have that many? You just get one of each?
I've been here before, so a lot of these have homemade labels on them.
I see you crossed out the apple. Does that mean you didn't like the apple?
Last year they were out,
Oh,
so I
word.
switched to the mango because that was new that year.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
Black currant. Black currant's really good.
It is.
Very sweet though.
I definitely had like 2 glasses of wine.
Yeah.
I had one of those.
What do you try now?
Black currant today was like.
I'm not even trying it. I know I like it already. I just want some.
I'm taking that part out.
Just this giant sandwich, and today's just gonna be one of those days where I eat a huge fucking like breakfast lunch, and then don't eat anything.
Oh. The only discount they say is 15% if you buy your own containers.
There you go.
Oh, with
Yeah.
your own containers.
Yeah.
Okay.
How's it going? What'd you get?
This is cottage.
You didn't bring your own container at all? No. Okay.
No.
That's fine. 46.36 is your total. 64. Thank you so much. Enjoy. We're open every week until the end of December when you need more. Great for holidays if you need to put up with family. You know what a schnozberry is?
No.
So the author of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory wrote a book later on down the line, years later, and in that book, there's an excerpt where it says...
Okay, okay, that's funny. That's
You want to copy
funny.
your receipt at all?
I'm good, man.
There you go, you're go ahead.
All right, thanks, dude.
We'll just set his
Don't
down.
tell anyone else that story about Willy Wonka, dude.
I
That's
love it. I love ruining childhoods.
My house, MTV Cribs. This is where I live. Decked out. You can see I left some space in the driver's seat. That's where I pass out drunk every night. Drink a gallon of Mead. Gets you good. Come around back. Let me show you where the magic happens. See, you move some of the shit over. Right up there. If you find a woman, not too big, not too small, not too big, you can both fit up there. Make it happen. It's beautiful. Everybody's having a good time. Just gotta have your tetanus shots. Make sure you're up to date. Now the hot sauce guy's coming for you, Josh.
what?
What's the page again?
Stop Novice. Are you looking it up?
Yeah.
One word, Stop Novice. That's me. Subscribe.
There we go.
All right. It'll be on there in a couple of days.
Sweet. I'll keep an eye out.
All right. Hell yeah. Thanks, buddy.
Or ham.
Subscriber number 14. Let's go. Let's go.
You gotta put his put his website in the
Yeah, 15. Let's go.
Josh, subscribed you for years.
Fuck you, man.
You gotta put his website or stuff in the description.
I will. I got a close up of the business card and stuff.
Yeah, he's gonna love you.
Smoked salt. It's really good.
Alright, I got it. I was in your pumpkin. 30-year-old.
Mommy.
I feel like a child pulling another child. Put it in the tube and have your Josh hold it.
Jeremy, this is like those Instagram posts where like the guy's like holding his girlfriend's hand, you know, and he's here, take it.
Oh, look at that. So cute. I've never seen anything so cute in my life.
Ready?
Yeah, okay.
Wait, we're gonna lose all this progress? You could have gotten him further up the hill. Kick him. Give him a kick.
Speaking of kicks, we're gonna get kicked out. Oh my god.
Nah, no one's gonna kick Josh out. If somebody talks to Josh.
Josh, come back. Oh, he tipped. He jackknifed it. And he kept all the donuts intact. Look how slow you are. Jesus.
Huh?
Took you long.
I saved the donuts.
Thank God. Oh yeah, that's an apple.
Brady picked a pumpkin.
Here, take it.
Largest growing pet area in the areas. Good job. Alright, let's walk along.
Alright, who's riding the minecart down this time?
Let me see.
Through the donut hole?
POV, you're a mini donut. There we go, yeah. Donut cam. Jeremy, what do you have to say to the donut? Yeah, my footage is much better. There.
Like look over, like look at my hand. Prime apple orchard. How many apples are there?
POV, you're a donut looking at apples.